Welcome back, everybody,
to the Cinco de Mayo edition of...
Sound.
You ready to play sound number one?
I am ready to play sound number one. Can I play it?
Let's play it. Let's everybody guess and put the
and you guess
in the
they
comment
gotta see
below.
it first.
Yeah, but after you see it, put the answer that you think it is in the comment below.
Can we play it? Hey, I'm playing it. So what was it?
We don't know. These are new sounds.
I gotta guess it. Ugh. All right, so you
Well,
guys,
not guess
just
it.
so you guys know, we have a mystery sound.
But we'll play that on the third one.
That is going to be, yes, it's going to be a bonus sound. So we're only going to do 2 sounds today. As a matter of fact, let's go ahead and do sound number 2. Ready?
Let's play it.
Sound number 2. Can I do it?
Sure.
Okay. Did you guess it? What was it? You weren't supposed to say it out loud. You're supposed to say, I don't know. I don't know what it is. All right, everybody. So now it's time for something we haven't done before. So you guys know we make tones for sleep and things of that nature. You know, you've seen the channel. All right, but we were making a video for tones at night in the country on the river. So you guys...
And it caught this weird, creepy sound that kind of gives you chills. And we don't really honestly know what it is.
Terrifying.
It's eerie. It's an eerie sound.
All right, so that's a bonus. We don't know what it is.
Yeah, just help us out and help us figure it out. That way we know what's out there at night while we're sleeping.
Should we be scared is what I want to... And I can't wait to see what you guys think about this noise. It is really something. Leave your comments in the section below. And remember to hit that bell icon
Ding, ding.
so that you get notifications when the answers are revealed.
But now we got to tell you what last week's sounds was. Did anybody guess all 3?
You know what? I got to say, Selena Collette is really racking up the points.
Did she? What'd she guess? Did she get all 3? Close.
She got door. She just got the wrong kind of door.
Oh.
So last week, sound number 1 was a automatic door at the
At a hospital.
At a hospital, yes.
So let's play it.
Oh, yes, play.
So sound number 2 is water boiling.
Did you say water boiling? I thought he was cooking rice. Well, it'll still be water boiling. Okay.
Same thing. So sound number 3 is...
I don't have my glasses and I can't read my handwriting. So I don't know what that says. It looks like it says...
Fire!
So we're giving it to Selena Collette. Yay! She wins. High five. That's for her.
So join us next time
for another edition of
Game Sound.